reports and everything. The cool thing about this is that it gives you automatic notifications, but they still need to work on this.
Round 4.
Now bringing you widget resizing. Let's check it out, man. Let's drag a widget and look at all those other widgets move. And it looks pretty cool too. Okay, let's put this one down. Whee! Whippy! Whee!
Final round.
This tablet's deadliest feature is its $200 price. I mean $200 freaking dollars, that's dirt cheap. Now this is official, man. This is the second 7-incher I'm giving my girlfriend for her birthday. So there you have it, the Google Nexus 7. With all these killer features, it just blows all other 7-inch tablets away. Hasta la vista, babies. Now it's not an iPad, but it's a new prince in the tablet kingdom. So if you have $200 lying around, don't give it to charity and do your economy a favor. Get this baby instead. So thank you for listening, and I hope you guys like the show. If you have any vital feedback, please keep it to yourself. And do like the video. Thank you, and bye.